Hello everybody, hello my great Alliamines. Since March 2018, we have started to take the control of the global banking, the emitting banks, the investment banks, and now we have full control of the global banking network, so we can create the money we want, to invest the money where we want, in what we want. Thanks to the great Anayas, the extraterrestrial Anayas, having the quantic channel 51. Some of them went to Area 51 last year, in February and March 2018. And they used some special PC hardware to connect and to reprogram the global banking network. And now we have the full power of all the banks in the world with us. So the banks are no more in the hands of Satan. Satan is dead. The extraterrestrial army of Satan is dead. Its mafia is completely destroyed. It has no more power. So now we have all the banks with us, especially the investment and the emitting banks with us, so we can create the money to invest it in what we want. So now we're gonna start up the business for year 0, 2019. We're gonna start up the business first with the Amiga X 2048 computers line, and then with everything, the robots, the cars, the airplanes, all pure and clean, emitting no pollution at all, created by heat-up factories. So you will see this year, 2019, it's year 0, it's the year of installation of a new rule, a new kingdom of planet Earth. You will see it starting this summer with the Amiga X 2048 computers. That's all. Dismissed.